myself. My name is Minanua. This time, I will make a vlog video of my daily life. My routine at this time is still at 5 a.m. Starting with the morning prayer, but before that I perform ablution first. Oh yes, I'm sorry I did not record myself because I did not wear hijab. Okay, I've finished praying. Now I'll take the medicine first. Now it's been 1 hour. Now I can eat. Okay, I'm ready to go to campus. I'll get the glasses first. Take shoes. Let's go to the motorbike. Okay, now I'm outside the gate and about to leave. I don't record while drive because it's not good when driving. Oh, a little story. Behind this wall, there are lots of deer. Today is the last exam, so we are a bit late. My friend is absent for the last exam of Bahasa. Because the mathematics final exam schedule is still long, I'm going to a place where I'm not allowed to record the place even. I'm back to campus, waiting my friend. The rain in Mataram is so heavy that my friend got stuck on the road, and I waited here for him for so long that he fell asleep. Because I'm so boring, I moved my seat towards the stair and I saw people and go of the campus area getting choked in the rain.